Good morning, students. How are you all? Once again, welcome back to my SST class. Children, as you all know, that chapter 15, Kolkata, is going on. So, this is the second video of this chapter. Okay, this is the second part of this chapter. So, children, our today's topic is transport. Okay, in this video, we will discuss transport topic. Okay, so let's start the class. Here you can see transport system of Kolkata. Children, the transport system of Kolkata is unique in itself. Okay? The transport system of Kolkata is, children, very unique in itself. Okay? It is different from other transports in the country. It has an underground railway system called metro. Children, here you can see metro rail system. Here you can see metro train. It has an underground railway system called metro. Okay, this train is called a metro. It is an underground rail system. Kolkata was the first Indian city to have a metro rail system. Children, Kolkata was the first Indian city for having a metro rail system. Okay, it is the only city where trams are still in use. Children, here you can see tram, which is also like buses that travel on road. Okay, and it travels by electricity. Okay, these are known as trams. People of Kolkata also use for traveling these trams. Okay, it is the only city where trams are still in use. Okay, children, in this picture you have seen the trams. Okay, it is the only city in our India which is having trams still also. Okay, nowadays also trams are visible in Kolkata. Okay, people used to travel by trams also in Kolkata. Okay, here you can see Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport. Okay, children, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport of Kolkata links Kolkata to other parts of India and the world. So, children, Subhash Chandra Bose Airport of Kolkata, it links Kolkata to other parts of the India and the world also. Okay. Now, children, everyone come to famous building and places. Here you can see Havra Bridge on the river Hooghly. It is the most famous attraction of Kolkata. It is different from ordinary bridges, children. It is supported by iron channels and has no pillars. This bridge, Havra Bridge, has no any pillars. It is supported by iron channels. Okay, its new name is Rabindra Setu. Children, the new name for Havra Bridge is Rabindra Setu. Okay. Now, children, a new bridge called Vidyasagar Setu has also been built on the Hooghly River. Children, this is bridge Vidyasagar Setu Bridge. Okay, it is also built on the river Hooghly. Okay. Chaurangi is the main center of activity in Kolkata. Children, Chaurangi is the main center of activity in Kolkata. It has many big shops and cinema halls. In the heart of the city is Maidan and Fort Williams. Children, in the heart of the city is Maidan and Fort Williams. Here you can see Maidan and Fort Williams. Okay, in this picture you can see. Okay. So children, Chaurangi is the main center of activity in Kolkata. It has many big shops and cinema halls. In the heart of the city is Maidan and Fort Williams. Victoria Memorial is one of the most beautiful building. Children, here in the picture you can see Victoria Memorial. It is the most famous and beautiful building of Kolkata. here in this picture you can see, children, Fort Williams, Eden Garden, Birla Planetarium, Vidyasagar Setu, Victoria Memorial, and Rabindra Setu, and here you can see Belur Mutt. Okay, Belur Mutt. Okay, children, these are the famous places which you can go and visit in Kolkata. Okay, children. So, what are the places? The names of places are Birla Planetarium, Botanical Garden, Belur Mutt, Alipur Zoo, and Ravindra Sarovar. These are the places of tourist interest in Kolkata. The National Library of Kolkata has more than 1 crore books. Children, the National Library of Kolkata has more than 1 crore books. Okay. Here in this picture you can see Eden Garden. Again, the famous cricket ground. It's a famous cricket ground, Eden Garden, which is in Kolkata. Okay. Here you can see Mother Teresa Missionaries of Charity. It is also in Kolkata. Okay. Children, Kolkata is the home of Indian art and culture. Children, it is the home of Indian art and culture. It is an important center of education. So children, Kolkata is the home of Indian art and culture, and it's a center of education too. Kolkata University is one of the largest and oldest university in India. Children, Kolkata University is one of the largest and oldest universities in India. Okay. Football and cricket. Children, football and cricket are popular games. So children, these are the popular games of Kolkata. Okay. So children, Kolkata is the home of Indian art and culture. It is the important center of education. Kolkata University is one of the largest and oldest university in India. Okay, football and cricket are popular games of Kolkata. Okay, everyone. Now everyone come to the Do You Know section. Botanical Garden of Kolkata has a banyan tree which can provide shelter to more than 200 people. Children, Botanical Garden of Kolkata has a banyan tree which can provide shelter, a home to more than 200 people. So think how much big this tree is. A very big tree. Okay, this banyan tree of Botanical Garden is very big in size. Okay, it can give shelter to more than 200 people. Okay, children. So that's all for today, everyone. We will meet in our next class video, children. Till then, must take care. Be safe at home. Bye bye. And thank you, everyone.